Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine. And you?
I'm fine, so thanks. Nice today for you and for our meeting. And who is absent today?
Everyone coming, sir.
Okay, everyone coming. Thank you. So here is complete students. And before we start our lesson today, please, who is the captain here?
As usual, Inti.
Okay, Inti. Okay, Inti, please lead your friend to pray to the God for our teaching learning process today. We hope we will read a lesson today. Then, Inti, please, time's yours.
Yes, sir. Let's play together. Begin. Finish.
Okay, thank you. And today, we know that there are many cases of COVID-19 here. Then maybe all of your friends or your family got COVID-19. So please don't forget to wear masker, to washing your hand by using hand sanitizer, to keep clean your environment, and also your house, of course, because we don't know where the COVID-19 virus spread. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, students, before we start our lesson today, did you remember what we learned last week?
Invitation, sir.
Invitation. Okay, nice, students. What is an invitation letter?
It's a kind of letter to invite someone in some occasion. Untuk invite seseorang ke suatu acara, sir.
Okay, that is to invite someone in occasion atau acara ya. Inti, how many kinds
Yes,
of invitation letter? Did you remember? Ada berapa jenis invitation letter kemarin?
2.
What are they?
Informal and formal.
Okay, formal or informal ya, formal and informal letter. Okay, nice students. And for today meeting, we will learn about others material, and I will try to present what we will learn today.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, can you see the screen?
It's too small, sir.
Okay, it is too small. I will maximize it. What about it?
It's not better.
Not bad.
Better.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes. It's
Yes, okay.
clear.
Okay, thank you. The first is basic competence atau kompetensi dasar yang akan kita pelajari. Yang pertama adalah untuk kompetensinya adalah 3.14, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan teks, interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis yang melibatkan tindakan, memberi dan meminta informasi terkait pendapat dan pikiran sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Kemudian untuk keterampilannya, menyusun teks interaksi transaksional lisan dan tulis pendek dan sederhana yang melibatkan tindakan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait pendapat dan pikiran dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. Jadi untuk pengetahuannya adalah 3.14, sedangkan untuk keterampilannya adalah 4.14. Kemudian untuk tujuan pembelajarannya, yang pertama adalah nanti kalian akan diskusi ya dengan kelompoknya, melalui diskusi dan menggali informasi dari gambar yang ditampilkan, dan juga nanti ada video. Nanti peserta didik mampu menganalisis struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dalam teks mengenai meminta dan memberi pendapat sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Kemudian setelah disajikan dua buah teks yang berbeda, peserta didik mampu membedakan fungsi sosial struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan dari berbagai ungkapan mengenai meminta dan memberi pendapat sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Kemudian yang ketiga adalah melalui diskusi dan menggali informasi, peserta didik mampu menyusun teks lisan dan tulis mengenai ungkapan meminta pendapat dan responnya dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan yang benar dan sesuai konteks. Jadi nanti tugas kalian adalah yang pertama menganalisis, yang kedua membedakan, kemudian yang ketiga adalah menyusun atau membuat teks lisan dan juga tulis.
Banyaknya.
Wah, itu sesuai dengan apa yang harus kita kerjakan nanti. Oke, kemudian ini penilaiannya. Jadi untuk pembelajaran hari ini nanti ada beberapa hal yang akan dinilai. Yang pertama adalah penilaian sikap, penilaian pengetahuan, yang ketiga adalah penilaian keterampilan. So here, please you must or should active here, should be active in this teaching learning process. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand and you say something. Maybe you have any difficult words, or maybe you have any others comment or opinion. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, before we start for the teaching learning process, I will give you a video about our to give you warm up here. Please pay attention to the video.
Okay. Gak ada suaranya, Sa.
Okay, pardon?
Belum ada. Oh iya.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Videonya nggak kelihatan sih.
Okay, I'm sorry. I touch stop presentation. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, I can see it. Tapi suaranya nggak masuk apa ya? Kecil banget.
Itu udah kedengeran. Iya, no, volumenya kurang.
Oh,
Okay.
volumenya kurang, Pak.
Okay.
Tapi bisa dilihat kok videonya, nggak apa-apa, volumenya nggak ada.
Yeah.
Oh, udah. Kasihan jatuh.
Okay, pay attention please. Okay, did you get it about the video, Umi?
Yes, I get it. A student throw away a garbage, but it's not in recycle bin. Orang buang sampah sembarangan tapi tidak di tempat sampah.
Okay, so do you agree with the activities?
I think not. It's a very
Okay.
Ya, nggak boleh gitu. Saya pikir itu nggak boleh.
Nggak boleh ya?
Iya.
Oke, buang sampah itu nggak boleh. Oke. What do you think about the video, Inti? What is your opinion about the video?
Itu perbuatan buruk, Pak.
Ya, perbuatan sangat buruk.
Yeah. Okay, Inti, please.
Membuang sampah
Umi,
tidak pada
okay.
tempatnya.
Okay. Do you agree with the activities?
Tidak lah, Pak. Soalnya kan merugikan orang lain.
Ya.
Okay.
Ya.
Great. Okay. What about the others? Any comment for the video?
It's bad habit.
Okay, bad habitual. Okay. So, what do you think about we will learn today?
How to throw a garbage in right place?
Sorry, pardon?
How to put the garbage in a recycle bin? No?
Really? Really?
So we learn about opinion about someone habit.
Okay, great. The keyword is we are going to learn asking and giving opinion and thought here. Okay, great students. And for today meeting, of course, we will learn something to asking and to ask and giving opinion and thought. And now, before we start our lesson today, for this material, I will divide you to your group. Okay, Omi, where are
Yes,
you?
I'm here.
You here? Okay, Omi, your group is here in couple with Pungki Pramudita.
Okay.
Omi with Pungki, then Indi, where are you, Indi?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
yes, okay. Inti,
And
your group is Sulfa Karisma. You come with Sulfa Karisma. Where is Sulfa?
Sure.
Okay. Sulfa, where are you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now we are going to the next video. I have a video here, and I
okay.
ask you to identify the video with the expression here. Okay, so you must pay attention to the video.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, pay attention, please.
It was a great concert last night, Scarlett. Thanks. As we know, Scarlett's got a new CD coming out soon, so let's have a look at the best way to promote it in France.
Okay. Well, I think Scarlett should visit the major music stores. In my opinion, that's the best way to meet her fans.
I'm not so sure. What do you think, Jacques?
Actually, I don't agree with Mark. Scarlett isn't commercial in that way.
Scarlett. Scarlett.
I agree with Jacques. I don't have a commercial image. It isn't my style.
Okay, but Scarlett needs more publicity. What about a series of TV and radio interviews? Don't you agree?
Yes, but that's what everybody does. But we want to see something different.
Personally, I think Scarlett should tour clubs and summer festivals. She can DJ, play her favorite music, play the new CD, and meet her fans too.
Yes, absolutely. That's a much better idea. Mark.
Okay, why not?
Scarlett?
I think that's a great idea. Thank you, Jacques.
Okay, have you gotten it?
Yes, I have got some expression.
Okay, what are they, please? For Umid?
What do you think about apa ya tadi? Lupa.
Lupa. Okay, any others, please? Inti?
Yes.
Yes. What can you got? What have you gotten from the video about the expression?
Asking and giving opinionnya yang what do you think, Jax? Respondingnya, in my opinion, that's the best way to meet her friends. Agreementnya, actually, I don't agree with Mark.
Okay, thank you. Great. Okay, what the others? Pongki, please. What have you gotten from the video?
I have one opinion, sir.
What is it?
I think Scarlet Culture Club Summer Festival.
Okay,
is the
great.
opinion.
Okay. Sulfa, where are you?
Yes.
Yes. What have you gotten from the video? Can you explain? Can you tell me? About the expression?
I think it's all.
That's all?
Nggak
Really?
jelas kok tadi, jadi nggak begitu nangkep.
Okay, maybe your network is get trouble.
Global,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I will repeat once again. We can know that there are many expression here in asking and giving opinion.
It was a great concert last night.
Pak, sebentar. Mau tanya, yang harus dicari
Yeah.
yang bagian apanya?
Yeah, you find out the expression of the asking and giving opinion here and
Ah,
responding and also
cari askingnya.
yes,
Askingnya.
ada askingnya di situ, kemudian ada respondingnya, dan there is an agreementnya seperti itu.
Oh, oke.
Okay, I repeat once again.
As we know, Scarlett's a new CD. Let's have a look at the best way we can promote it in France.
Okay. Well, I think Scarlett should visit the major music stores. In my opinion, that's the best way to meet her fans.
I'm not so sure. What do you think, Jacques?
Actually, I don't agree with Mark. Scarlett isn't commercial in that way.
Scarlett. Scarlett. I agree with Jacques. I don't have a commercial image. It isn't my style.
Okay, but Scarlett needs more publicity. What about a series of TV and radio interviews? Don't you agree?
Yes, well, that's what everybody does. What we want is something different.
Personally, I think Scarlett should tour clubs and summer festivals. She can DJ, play her favorite music, play the new CD, and meet her fans too.
Yes, absolutely. That's a much better idea. Mark,
Okay, why not?
Scarlett?
I think that's a great idea. Thank you, Jacques.
Okay. Have you gotten it?
Yes, we have.
Yeah. What are they?
Oh, me, sir? Saya?
Yes. Okay. Umi, please.
Okay, for asking an opinion, what do you
Yeah.
think? Terus, what about series of TV and radio? Don't you agree? Terus responnya, in my opinion, that's the best way to meet her fans. I think Scarlet Culture Club and Summer Festival. For agreement, I agree with Jack Hills. Itu aja, Pak.
Yeah. Okay. What about in this group? Inti?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me what have you gotten it from the video or what you have? Yes.
Sama ya intinya.
Soalnya tadi yang udah disebutin sama Mbak Umi itu udah disebutin dan sudah tertera dalam videonya, Pak.
Okay. Thank you. Nice students. Okay. Give applause for your groups, all of you. Okay. Thank you. Great for you. Then that is about the video. And now I have a picture here. Okay, look, I have two pictures here. What do you think about this picture?
It's a vaccine. Vaccine.
Vaksinasi, Pak.
Vaccine. Yeah. What about this picture?
I think it's a very scared for me
Why?
because of it's a, saya takut jarum jadi
Oh,
oh wait oh
Gimana? Pardon?
itu vaksin sir
Vaksin, okay.
ya
Vaccine, yeah? Okay. Do you agree with the vaccinated of COVID-19?
yes
Umi?
I agree.
Okay,
Of course.
Umi. Okay, please, other groups. Pungki, do you agree with vaccinated for COVID-19?
Yes, agree.
Agree, okay. Kenapa setuju?
Buat imun tubuh kita.
Buat imun tubuh, okay. What about Umi? Kamu setuju nggak sih sama itu vaksinasi tadi? Do you agree?
Yes, of course I agree to be vaccinated because of it give us more immune and the COVID-19 can't force us like that.
Okay. Okay, thank you. That is about vaccinated here. Then we know that there are many cases of COVID-19 here. So here is the vaccinated, and I have done twice in vaccinated, and it is good for our health. And maybe next time you will do it. Okay, that is about the first picture, and this is the second picture. What about it? What do you think about this picture?
It's about lockdown.
Lockdown?
Is it right? Close the road is lockdown.
Lockdown, okay. Why the police lockdown the area or the street or the route?
biar bisa nggak pada lewat, Pak.
Ya
Lewat.
benar.
Kita tutup jalannya.
Why? Kamu setuju nggak sama itu yang polisi tutup jalan itu?
To avoid a crowdness. Jadi untuk menghindari ke crowded kayak gitu, Pak.
Oh gitu. Yeah, because this is COVID-19, many virus here. There are much of viruses. So the police close the way or the route here. Okay. That is about the second picture. Halo? Kelihatan nggak?
Halo,
Kelihatan?
slide-nya.
Iya, slide-nya kelihatan.
What is opinion? Iya, kelihatan.
Full slide nggak?
Yes, full slide.
Full slide ya. Oke. Kita mulai. Okay, students. Before we start about this material, I have question for you. So, what is opinion? Anyone can answer it?
Pendapat?
Pendapat, okay. The other one, please.
Pikiran seseorang,
Okay.
ide,
Ide, okay.
Gagasan?
Gagasan, okay.
someone thinking.
Someone thinking, okay. We check what is opinion. Here is opinion. So here, opinion is the way you feel or think about something. And also, opinion is a judgment about someone or something. And we can say, opinion is about something or someone is based on our perspective. You know what is perspective? Apa itu perspektif?
Sudut pandang.
Sudut pandang, oke, sudut pandang. Sehingga opinion adalah pendapat atau sudut pandang dari diri kita terhadap sesuatu atau orang lain. Oke. Nah, you have watched the video before, then there are many expression in asking and giving opinion. So what do you think about expression in giving opinion? What is the content on giving and asking opinion? Maybe anyone can describe or tell about it? Anyone? Iya. Tadi kamu sudah melihat video ya? Ya, jadi di video tadi ada beberapa ungkapan. What do you think about the expression in asking and giving opinion? Ada apa saja di sana kira-kira? Ada apa kira-kira di sana?
Agreeing opinion. Agree.
Ada responding opinion.
Oke, ada responding. Ada apa lagi?
Asking opinion. Tanya pendapat.
Tanya pendapat. Oke, sebelum itu ada apa lagi?
Giving opinion.
Ada
Giving
itu
opinion.
topik yang
Dibicarakan.
Topik yang dibicarakan. Oke. Then, any others?
setuju dan tidak setuju.
Setuju dan tidak setuju. Oke. We will check and try what is the opinion and what is the content of the opinion. Okay. Here in opinion we have two part, that is social function of asking and giving opinion. Oke, tadi kalian sudah nyebut ya, ada inquiring opinionnya. Jadi tadi kamu sudah melihat contohnya. Tadi what do you think? What is your opinion? Kemudian tadi kamu apa? Berikan pendapatnya, giving opinionnya. Dan tadi ada apa lagi? Topiknya, itu namanya apa tadi? Issue, di generic structure. Kemudian tadi ada setuju dengan tidak setuju. Itu namanya adalah argument. Oke, that is about asking and giving opinion. Sehingga di sini kalian harus ketika membuat sebuah dialog tentang asking and giving opinion, you should give both two parts of asking and giving opinion, that is social function and generic structure. Here is issue, argument, and conclusion also. Okay. Yeah, and this is expression that you said before. Ini yang sudah kalian tadi sampaikan, bahwa tadi ada itu Pak yang menyebutkan dan sebagainya. Ini expressionnya for asking and giving opinion, and you also expressing of giving an opinion. Jadi ketika kamu ditanya, menurut kalian pendapatnya bagaimana, maka kamu bisa pakai yang mana tadi? Mana saja? I think, apa lagi? In my opinion, apa lagi? According to and others. Ya. Here is about agreement or disagreement. Okay. So here we know that there are two kinds of responding to opinions. The first is agree, and the second is disagree. Umi, can you give an example?
Yes.
How to say in strong agreement?
I totally agree with your opinion. It's a strongly.
Oke, strongly. Oke, sehingga di sini nanti ada beberapa hal ketika kita menyampaikan agreement. The first is strong, artinya kita kuat, sangat-sangat setuju, dan juga ada yang medium. Medium di sini adalah setuju, tetapi biasanya tidak sepenuhnya. Kemudian ada disagreement atau tidak
Setuju.
setuju. Oke, tidak setuju.
Nah, kalau misalnya I really agree with you, itu
Okay, we use correct grammatical here in English, we can use I really agree.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay. Kemudian in disagreement we can use strong also then medium. Jadi ada yang sangat-sangat tidak setuju. Dan di sini ada sebuah statement juga, yakni mungkin kalian pernah dengar ya. I couldn't agree more dengan I couldn't agree less. Kalau I couldn't agree more itu artinya sangat setuju, sedangkan I couldn't agree less sangat tidak setuju. Benar apa enggak ya? Ada yang mau komen silakan?
Iya Pak, begitu. I couldn't agree more itu sangat setuju.
Okay, thank you. That is about agreement and disagreement in asking and giving opinion. Any questions so far?
No.
No, okay. If you don't have any questions, we continue to the next next task for you. Sorry, we have trouble with network.
Iya, sinyalnya nggak kuat Pak Guru.
Okay. Please, yeah, Umi, please silent, please. Okay. Now, Inti and Sulfa, please present your presentation.
Zulfa, kamu jadi Meji ya, aku jadi Tina.
Baik. Baik.
Okay, please.
Tina. Oh. Tina, what do you think is the best action to reduce global warming?
I think everyone should start changing their lifestyles.
What do you mean?
Well, we have to start to do what we can to help reduce global warming.
What do you suggest that we should do?
Well, there are lots of things that we can do. We should start saving electricity, reselling things, using public transportation, buying and consuming as much as we need only. Basically, just save anything that we can.
That's a great idea. I will do that.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for other group, please. Okay. Okay, next, any comment for their dialogue? Maybe any mistakes of their pronunciation? To me?
Pak Guru, gimana caranya baca itu global warming? Global
Oh, global warming.
warming.
Global warming. And can what do you suggest? Tadi masih ada sedikit mistake ya di pronunciation.
Habisnya?
Okay. What do you suggest? Ada yang bilang suggest, ada yang bilang suggest. Itu boleh.
Suggest boleh nggak? What do you suggest that we should do? Kayak gitu.
Ada yang suggestion. Boleh.
Suggestion.
Okay. That is about
Recycling tuh.
Recycling. You can say recycling.
Recycling.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, students. Now it's time for you. Here I have two dialogues and asking and giving opinion. So here, please distinguish the dialogue, in their content, in generic structure, and in maybe in any other expression. Please discuss with your group here about dialogue 1 and dialogue 2. Any questions so far?
No.
Nah, oke. Ya, jadi sekarang silakan cari perbedaan dari dua dialog tersebut yang sudah ada
Apanya,
di...
Tadi
Ya, oke.
sosial function-nya ya Pak Guru?
Ya, oke. Social function, generic structure.
Generic structure.
Oke.
Dua
Jadi
aja
kamu
ya.
dua, oke, sama ekspresinya lain juga, sama language language features-nya. Oke, silakan diskusikan dengan kelompok kalian. Oke, time short. I give you 5 minutes to discuss with your group. Oke, time's yours.
Oke.
Inti itu di inquiry opinion-nya, social function-nya di dialog 1. Yang mana?
Yang pas ini kan yang bagiannya si siapa?
Itu yang Trevor itu kayaknya what do you think?
Oh iya.
Ya, inquiry opinion sama giving opinion yang
Do you think
bawahnya
about
apa ya?
Well, I think that yes. Ya itu yang giving opinionnya.
Yang dialog
Zulfa,
2.
kamu cari yang keduanya ya.
Aku cari generic structure-nya.
Oke, ya. Nanti Zulfa yang bagian dialog 2-nya.
Oke. Berarti generic structure-nya membedakan antara dialog 1 dan dialog 2.
Ya, nanti pas yang inquiring and giving opinionnya aku sama Zulfa. Terus nanti dibagi lagi. Aku yang dialog 1, Zulfa yang dialog 2.
Oke.
Oke.
Okay, students, have you finished?
Yes, I have.
Okay, now for group 1, who will try to present first? Raise your hand, please.
Zulfa.
Zulfa?
Yeah.
Okay, Zulfa, please. You try to give here the explanation about the differences between two dialogues. Okay, Zulfa. Time's yours, please.
Yang social function ya Pak Guru.
Yeah, okay. Zulfa, social function. Okay, from the dialogue 1 and dialogue 2. From the first dialogue and the second dialogue.
Yang have you heard about our schools?
Yeah, okay. The dialogue first. The first dialogue. Where is the social function here? So, inquiry opinion.
Inquiry opinion yang itu Pak Guru. What do you think about it?
What do you think about it? Zulfa, gimana? Your group?
Bingung, Pak. Yang mana,
Bingung. Okay. Okay, Umi, can you help
Oke.
your friends? Okay.
The first dialogue in inquiry opinionnya itu what do you think about it? What do you think about it? Gitu. About
Okay.
the smartphone ban. Then
Okay.
giving opinionnya I think that's fair enough.
Okay, good. Okay, the next dialogue.
Yeah. The next dialogue. Zuba, will you try? Apa lagi Pak Guru?
Yang dialog 2, silakan.
Ya.
Maybe
Untuk-
Zulfa. Yeah, okay, Umi. Maybe Zulfa getting trouble with their network.
There is no signal there.
Okay.
Inquiry opinionnya in the second dialogue. What do you think is the best action to reduce global warming?
Okay.
And giving opinionnya, I think everyone should start changing their lifestyles.
Okay, good. Great.
Okay.
What about the generic structure?
generic structure. In dialogue 1, the issue is about school plan to ban smartphone in school.
Okay. Okay. Then.
And the argument is a pro.
Okay.
Uh,
How do you know?
there is a sentence. Well, I think it's fair enough. Nah, it means that their argument is pro.
Okay.
Okay,
But
and
the second dialogue?
the second dialogue, the starting issue is about to reduce global warming, they must change their lifestyles.
Okay, great students. Okay. Okay, nice for your answer here, and I think you are good in giving and asking opinion here, and you can distinguish the differences between first dialogue and second dialogue. So here you can practice it to find others, maybe any others dialogue that you can find about the generic structure and also language features. Any questions so far, students?
No, sir.
No.
No. Okay, thank you. Okay, great for all of you. Okay, now we are going to the last session, that is for your exercises. Make a dialogue of asking and giving opinion and thought using some situation provided below. Jadi nanti kalian tugas terakhir adalah membuat sebuah dialog dengan topik yang ada. There are 3 topics provided. The situation. The first is online classroom. Then the second is online shopping, and the last is cultural festival. And here kamu tidak hanya istilahnya hanya membuat saja, tapi nanti diupload di Google Classroom. Okay, can you get it? Okay, one by one of you, please choose one situation or topic from the topic that is provided in the screen.
Okay.
Okay, I give you 5 minutes to do it.
Bumi mana yang mana?
Yes.
Aku yang online shopping ya, sama Zulfa.
Okay, have you finished, students?
Yes, I have.
Okay, please, who will present the dialogue first? Raise your hand. Okay, Inti Dwi Sukawati, please, your group present the dialogue.
Okay, sure.
Which topic? Okay, which topic that you chosen in the dialogue?
Yang online shopping.
Okay, online shopping. Okay, time's yours, please.
Okay. Hai Dinda.
Hi Arnie.
Jinda, in your opinion, what do you think about online shop?
In my opinion, online shop is nice, but we must be careful because it might be a crime.
Yeah, I think so. I have the same opinion as you are.
Don't too often buying things in online shop.
Thanks for your suggestion.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Give applause for the group. Okay, students, that's all for our today meeting. And before we close our lesson today, I have a question for you in this reflection. What have you learned from today's lesson?
Asking and giving opinion. How to ask and give opinion about something.
Okay. Asking and giving opinion.
Opinion.
Okay. Are you able to identify the forms and uses of expression, opinions, and thoughts?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Can you distinguish the forms of expression, opinions, and thoughts?
Yes. And
Okay. Are you able to write the forms of expression, opinions, and thoughts?
yes.
Yes.
And today you have practiced to write dialogue about opinion, and you have practiced it in front of the class or here in this room. Okay, nice students. And for today meeting, don't forget you always study home, and please always to keep your health because there are many cases of COVID-19 here. And for next time, we will learn about something. There is a personal letter. Okay, and the captain is Inti. Please lead your friends to close today's meeting before we go home.
Okay, sir. Let's play together. Begin. Finish.
Okay, that's all for today meeting. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.